Dari sas momen
I'll take everything. Oh, please don't charge me, but I don't want to go to jail. Please.
hingga menyogok petugas,
Why are you giving me money?
sampai ibu-ibu bertingkah aneh, para wanita ini akan memakai segala cara untuk melepaskan dirinya dari petugas. Ibu ini bernama Brenda Colwell. Dia didakwa berkendara di bawah pengaruh alkohol dan membahayakan anak di bawah umur. Pada 13 September 2018, petugas Toby Levave tiba di lokasi di mana Brenda Colwell yang berusia 57 tahun ditilang karena mengemudi tidak menentu dengan cucunya yang berusia 6 tahun yang duduk di kursi belakang. Setelah petugas menanyakan kondisinya, Brenda malah mengeluh karena diberhentikan.
Well, I feel that I violated because,
You violated?
my daughter, the road registered her car she bought.
Tidak perlu waktu yang lama setelah dia mengoceh, dia secara tidak sengaja mengakui kalau dia sedikit mabuk.
I'm also kind of buzzed a little.
Kind of buzzed.
Yeah.
Setelah tidak sengaja mengakui kesalahannya, dia mencoba untuk mengecilkan masalahnya.
What do you mean by that?
I can't say intoxicated. I know what they're doing.
Sadar ketika semua tidak sesuai dengan rencananya, dia mulai beralih dari yang awalnya marah menjadi menangis.
The officer told you why she stopped you, right?
Yeah.
You right? Okay, yeah, you're right. You didn't know. I mean, it was honest mistake. Okay, honest. It was honest mistake. Okay.
Dia bertingkah seolah-olah dia sedang sesak nafas, dan dia mengklaim kalau itu adalah serangan asma.
What's wrong, Brenda? What's wrong? Talk to me.
I have asthma.
You have asthma?
Yes.
Well, breathe. Okay. When you were driving just fine, I guess, as far as your breathing goes, right?
Pada saat yang bersamaan, orang tua dari cucunya itu pun tiba, dan petugas itu meluangkan waktu sejenak untuk menghibur cucu dari ibu tersebut.
It's okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Okay, your mommy's here. Okay. You don't have anything to worry about. All right. And you know what? You are not in trouble. Okay. Just know that we aren't bad people. Your grandma's not a bad person. Okay. I gotta talk to her for a minute. Okay.
Ketika petugas kembali, petugas pun bertanya apa yang dia minum, dan Brenda pun kembali melakukan kesalahan saat menjawab.
So Brenda, how much did you have to drink? Be honest with me.
Okay. I had a juice.
You had a juice?
Black cherry, 14% alcohol.
Is that like 99 bananas or 99?
No, it's not.
Brenda nyaris tidak berhasil melewati sobriety test. Dia bahkan tidak bisa fokus pada jari petugas.
Look at me. Look at my fingertip right there.
Itu terjadi karena Brenda memikirkan hal yang lain. Petugas itu pun mengabaikan komentarnya. Saat mencoba untuk melanjutkan tes, Brenda pun kembali teralihkan oleh lesung pipi petugas Toby.
Don't fall down.
You got dimples.
I do have dimples too.
Setelah mengambil tes kedua, Brenda pun merasa frustasi dan segera ingin ditangkap.
You take me in.
Nope, man, I'm not gonna take you in. For what? Why did I take you in?
Well, intoxication.
Are you intoxicated?
Well, that's what you're giving me this and
Brenda, listen, I was...
just do it.
Brenda, what is
Here.
it? Brenda, turn around, face me, like an adult. Okay.
Petugas tetap melanjutkan prosedurnya, dan seperti yang ditebak, dia pun tidak lolos tes.
Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That was yes or no question. Can you count?
Yeah.
Please don't curse. Just say yes or no.
Yes or no?
Can you count?
You said yes or no.
Can you count?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Petugas pun mengatakan kepada Brenda kalau dia akan ditangkap.
I'm pretty safe.
Okay, well, I'm gonna tell you, you and I are gonna be in disagreement on that one. Okay? Hands right here, both hands.
Brenda cekikikan seperti anak kecil, tetapi ketika petugas akan memborgolnya, sisi baru dari dirinya pun keluar.
It's got my hands cuffed.
Okay.
Why the should I listen to your mother monkey?
Okay.
Or anyway,
You know what? Just so you know, everything you're telling me is being recorded.
I don't give.
Okay, that's fine.
Dia bahkan memberitahu keadaan hidupnya kepada petugas.
Because at first I thought you were cute.
Well, thank you. I
But
appreciate
you're
that.
not.
I'm not very cute. Thank you. I never said I was cute. Okay. That's fine. Be mad at me.
Tetapi ibu-ibu nakal ini belum selesai. Brenda mengatakan kalau dia mempunyai uang dan kembali cekikikan ketika mengatakan di mana uang tersebut.
Where's that money at? Which pocket? Just tell me.
It's on the left side.
This is your left side over here?
No, I don't got pockets in the front. It's in my ass. I hope you grab my teeth.
Dan dia mulai memberi tawaran yang tidak masuk akal saat petugas itu bertanya apakah ada sesuatu di dalam pakaian dalamnya.
No.
Okay, do you have anything in your bra?
No.
Okay. So it is now, Brenda?
What, you want to check it?
No, I really don't, actually. Brenda, it is now 21:18.
Okay.
Saat Brenda sudah di dalam mobil, anak perempuan Brenda pun datang dan berbicara secara damai.
Okay, so who is this lady to you?
It's my mother.
That is your mother?
Yes, sir.
Dia berusaha keras mengatakan betapa baiknya Brenda. Dan tidak lama, Brenda pun berteriak.
Skills that she should have, and I apologize for her, but she's a wonderful woman.
Hold on. She's saying you back to me. Hold on. What, Brenda?
You're gonna take us.
Yes, I'm gonna take you. Hang tight.
Well, hurry up already.
Dan saat di kantor polisi, Brenda pun baru mengakui kesalahan atas apa yang dia perbuat dan dia akan menebus kesalahan yang telah dia lakukan. Sekarang kita move on ke kasus selanjutnya. Pada hari Minggu 30 Oktober 2022, petugas clean dari Departemen Kepolisian Sarasota sedang berpatroli di Northport, Sarasota Country. Ketika itu dia melihat ada sebuah mobil yang diparkir dengan berbahaya. Dan dia juga melihat bahwa plat nomor yang digunakan sudah kadaluarsa. Ia lalu menepikan mobilnya dan bertemulah dia dengan Naomi Fuhrer.
Your fake cut had scared me when I walked up. Forgot tomorrow's Halloween.
Pardon?
I said your fake cut had scared me when I walked up.
Oh.
Forgot tomorrow's Halloween. I'm like, oh
I
boy.
know, right?
Naomi saat itu sedang dalam kondisi memakai gaun Halloween. Dengan mata yang merah, berbicara agak tidak jelas, dan dalam mobilnya tercium bau alkohol yang sangat kuat.
Where are you headed to?
She lives in Northport. I was just trying to
Thank you. You got your registration card changed before?
Walaupun petugas sudah tahu dia datang dari mana, petugas tetap berbasa-basi menanyakan dari mana saja dia, dan Naomi menceritakan semuanya agar tidak terjadi kesalahpahaman. Saat petugas merincikan pelanggaran lalu lintas yang dia perbuat, dia terkejut mengetahui dia tidak seharusnya mengemudi.
Reason I got stopped, few things. When you're sitting at the light back here to make the left,
Yeah.
you're all the way out in the intersection.
Oh, okay.
Like you were past the crosswalk, but you were on Toledo Blade for making the left.
Okay.
The tags on the car, is the car registered to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the tags on the car expired back in March,
Yes, sir.
or April, I'm sorry. And your license is suspended.
Apologize about that.
Okay. Do you have insurance on the car?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Who's it for?
It was State Farm.
Okay. Can you either pull it up on your phone, or do you have a copy of it, or anything in the car?
Yeah, I can look it up.
Okay, that's fine.
Naomi berkata dia hanya keluar pada pukul 3 pagi untuk menjemput seorang teman. Namun petugas tetap menyuruhnya untuk keluar dari mobil untuk melanjutkan sobriety test.
Do you want to try it with the shoes or without?
I don't know. I just prefer it without because they're very cricket.
Okay, yeah,
so I just don't want you.
If you want to take the shoes off, you can take the shoes off. That's fine.
Just be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it says 26, 2027, 2028, 2029.
Okay, you can stop.
Setelah tes menghitung, petugas memutuskan untuk menahannya.
Do me a favor, put your hands behind your back. Put your palms together like you're praying. You're under arrest for DUI. Okay? DUI.
But I'm not drunk or anything.
Okay, I'll explain it all to you, mate. Just look back forward.
Menyadari apa yang akan terjadi, Naomi hanya memohon agar dia dilepaskan.
Please, sir, I can't have a DUI. Please.
Okay.
I'll do everything. I promise. Sir, I'm from Switzerland. I can't have a DUI, please.
Tetapi petugas tampak tidak menghiraukannya. Petugas kembali mengingatkan tentang semua pelanggaran yang telah dia perbuat. Sementara petugas lainnya memeriksa mobil Naomi.
You're not even supposed to be driving in the first place. You have 5 different suspensions on your license. You have an insurance suspension and 3 fail to pay traffic tickets.
I
So I'm
promise
not gonna
I'll
sit
have
here and-
somebody pick up me. Please.
We're past that.
But I will not have anybody. Please don't charge me for ABI. I promise I'll have somebody pick me up.
Naomi terus saja memohon, berharap petugas akan melepaskannya. Tapi tetap saja mereka akan menahannya.
I understand, sir, but I wasn't drinking or like I wasn't thinking I would cause an accident or anything.
On a scale of 0 to 10, 0
Yeah.
being stone cold sober,
Yes.
10 being the most drunk you've ever been in your
Yeah.
life, where would you put yourself? You are going to jail for DUI.
Walaupun begitu, dia tetap saja memohon dengan bersikeras agar petugas melepaskannya.
Yes, please.
It's
Please, sir, it's gonna ruin my whole life.
that does a DUI does not mean that you're going to up and be deported.
Yes, because I'm from Switzerland. I'm on a green card. I'm not.
Wait, hold on.
Akhirnya petugas pun membawa Naomi, dan sebelum memasukkan Naomi ke dalam mobil, petugas memakaikan jaket ke Naomi. Tetapi Naomi malah memberikan penawaran yang mengejutkan.
Please, sir, please. I'll take everything off. Please don't charge me, but I don't want to go to jail. Please, sir.
I don't want you to take everything off.
Hah? Gimana? Coba putar ulang sekali lagi.
I'll take everything off. Please don't charge me.
Petugas menolak penawarannya dan memakaikan pakaian yang layak untuk malam pertamanya di penjara. Di list sebelumnya kita menyaksikan wanita-wanita ini hanya menggoda dan sedikit mengamuk. Tetapi yang satu ini agak jauh lebih buruk. Dia bahkan ingin menyuap petugas dengan uang yang dimilikinya. Apalagi jika aksinya tersebut terekam oleh kamera petugas. Ini dia Margaret Garcia. Dia bekerja di bar malam sebagai penari stripper. Dan saat itu mungkin dia sangat kelelahan sehingga dia siap melakukan apa saja demi bisa pulang ke rumah. Margaret didakwa dengan tuduhan kebut-kebutan, penyuapan, dan kepemilikan ganja. Pada tanggal 19 Juni 2016 di Miami, petugas memberhentikan mobil yang melaju kencang. Ketika petugas mendatangi mobil tersebut, Margaret sengaja menurunkan bagian atas gaunnya ke bawah dan memperlihatkan braknya. Tetapi petugas tetap fokus pada pekerjaannya dan meminta SIM kepada Margaret.
Can I get your license and registration, please?
Alih-alih memberikan SIM, Margaret malah memberikan segepok uang tunai dan menyerahkannya ke petugas.
Why are you giving me money?
Ketika petugas bingung dan bertanya kenapa dia memberikan petugas uang, Margaret pun menghela napas dan berkata, "Berapa banyak aku bisa membayarmu?"
How much I owe you?
You don't owe me any money. I asked for your license and registration.
Lalu Margaret menyerahkan SIM beserta uang yang dia keluarkan, sambil berharap dia bisa dilepaskan.
Like, you want to check my registration? Go ahead. I'm going home.
Sepertinya dia pernah lolos dengan cara itu sebelumnya, tetapi tidak untuk kali ini. Alih-alih dilepaskan, Margaret malah ditahan oleh petugas, dan saat petugas menjelaskan kesalahan Margaret, dia malah merespon dengan tidak baik.
Alright. Right now, you're getting arrested for the weed. I pulled you over because you were speeding,
Where was I?
and you reek
don't
of
care.
alcohol.
I don't care.
You've got an open container in your passenger side, and yeah.
Ketika Margaret sedang diborgol, petugas lainnya pun menggeledah mobil Margaret, dan dia menemukan sesuatu yang tentunya ilegal.
Oh, and it's spilled all over there. It's just all in that vehicle. I don't know what.
Alright, that's personal use. Come on, take me in. I don't...
Margaret pun dibawa ke kantor polisi dan didakwa, tetapi dia sudah dibebaskan dengan uang jaminan $1.500. Dan ketika video ini viral, Margaret mengatakan bahwa petugas itu menjebaknya, tapi tetap saja petugas memiliki bukti rekaman yang jelas.